This customer recently changed their door system, and that door system runs off of a lower voltage power supply. So we're going to be swapping this old one out with this new one. Now this power supply has control circuits in it, which I'm not responsible for, but I am responsible for swapping out the power. So I'm going to identify the circuit, turn it off, and we'll go from there. Now that it's powered off, we're just going to disconnect all the wires, pull them out, and take the box off. The old power supply is removed. Now we just have to cut some holes to the new box to make everything fit. The box is mounted. Now all I have to do is land the wires to the circuit board. Now we have completely wired in our board. We have our ground bonding jumper to the door in case you take this off. And we have our control wires just there at the bottom for the door text to actually land onto the circuit board. Thanks for watching.